It's saddening, it's heartbreaking, but it was to be expected. Blessed Mhlanga has been denied bail by Harare Magistrate Farai Gwatima, who has remanded him in custody to March 14. The release of the accused would put the nation in unrest and undermine peace and armed security. Muri Zimbabwe kusangana kwa Twitter zvakare pa channel ino, channel yeZim Witness TV, pandinodzoka nema updates akasiyana ari kuitika pa social media kunyangwe nemunyika medu, uye ndinoti kana kari kekutanga kusvika panapa ingobayawo button rekusubscribe, then turn on the notification bell kuitira kuti usarasikirwe neevery update yandinokupai pano zuva nezuva. So muri Zimbabwe nyaya yandadzoka nayo inyaya inopisa tsitsi, nyaya iri kurwadza muri Zimbabwe pamusoro pemukomana journalist anonzi iye Blessed Mhlanga weku Alpha Media, aishanda ari online journalist pa Heart and Soul TV, iyo yakaita interview navaGeza vachiramba 2030 agenda. Blessed Mhlanga was arrested on Monday on allegations of transmission of information that incites violence or causes damage to property. So Blessed akasungirwa iye mhosva yekuti akatransmita mashoko anonzi iwo aikurudzira kuti vanhu vange vachiita mhirizhonga munyika pamwe chete nekupwanya midziyo, apo paakaita interview vaGeza vachiramba 2030 agenda. So muzuva ranhasi masikati Blessed arambirwa bail, akanzi iye achazogara muchitokisi kusvika musi wa14 March 2024, nyaya yake ichimboongororwa. Akamirira mumwe mutongo kuti dare richazoti chii. Zvaiitika izvo kuna Blessed Mhlanga zvarwadza muri Zimbabwe, vanhu vari kunyunyuta nazvo. Then Alpha Media Holdings publisher Trevor Ncube vazosvika ivo pakureacta after Blessed anyimwa iye bail. Vakati manga musingafariri kusunga an innocent soul, maitofanira maybe kusunga inini, because this Trevor Ncube ndiye muridzi weAlpha Media, ndiye muridzi weHeart and Soul. Blessed angoriwo journalist zvake. So muri Zimbabwe ngatinzwe Mr. Trevor Ncube vachitaura ivo vaine kunyunyuta nemubatirwo waitwa nyaya yaBlessed Mhlanga.
Obviously, it was to be expected. It's no surprise at all. I think the surprise would have been if we'd gotten a sense that the court had seriously applied themselves to the case that has been brought before them. It's saddening, it's heartbreaking, but that is what it is in terms of the selective application of the law in our country. Criminals are let to go scot-free. The innocent and the weak are subjected to the law in a selective kind of manner. We are confident that in due time, Blessed is going to be allowed to enjoy the freedom that all of us are currently enjoying. I think fundamentally important is the fact that there wasn't any indication that the court realizes that you're dealing with freedom of expression and press freedom, and that Blessed did not say any of the stuff that he is alleged to have said. I mean, and Blessed is not HSTV. Blessed is not AMH. He's just a journalist practicing his profession, which is constitutionally protected, just like you guys are doing here, broadcasting to the public at home. You can't be accused of inciting the public for broadcasting what I'm saying right now. I am the one who should be brought before the courts, not the journalists who transmit the information. So I'm disappointed in that regard. But this is the reality that we are in right now. Unfortunately, President Mhlanga owns the courts. They have said they own the military, they own the police, they will do as they please. we will continue. I'm sure the lawyers will do what is right. But what we saw happening today is not fair. It is not justice. And our constitution does not support what has just taken place here. Thank you, good people.
But is it safe now for journalists to interview someone who speaks against the regime?
Well, I think it's clear to me that all of you, under the current circumstances, having seen what you've seen out there, you do this job at your own risk, because the court is not going to protect you. The court is going to side with the regime rather than the journalists who are doing this on behalf of the public. You're not doing this for yourselves. You're doing this on behalf of the public. Your role is to inform the public. You are conveyor belts in a way. Of course, you're supposed to come in and control the quality of what you broadcast. But what we saw happening today says none of you is safe, because you are they will come for you for what you've written. They will come for you for what you've broadcast. But should that make us afraid? No, it should not make us afraid. We should still continue to do what is right by law, what is right by our constitution, and what the public expects us to do.
What does this mean in terms of the reflection on the country, on the profession?
Very bad. So what is important to realize is the link between we are open for business and the application of the law in a manner that is transparent, in a manner that shows that there's fairness, that there's justice, in a manner that gives confidence to those.
So lawyer wa Blessed Mhlanga azoverenga iye an open letter yanyorwa iye na Blessed Mhlanga achiti iye the sun shall set even on those abusing Zimbabweans. Mukomana anyora tsamba yabata rushinji rweZimbabwe. So muri Zimbabwe ngatimbonzwei tsamba yanyorwa iyo na Blessed Mhlanga achinyorera Zimbabwe, achinyorera kuti muri Zimbabwe inge ichinzwa zvaanyora ari murimandi.
This is a statement from Blessed that he's asked me to read out on his behalf.
Okay.
He says, I'm a man born of flesh and blood. I suffer from fear and pain. I'm a proud son of a war veteran. I'm a journalist in service of my fellow countrymen. My father did not fight for this. Over the last few days, I have learnt my lesson. I have learnt that freedom is not free. It comes at a cost, at times a painful one. I've learnt that free speech, free talk, is not free, and therefore we must never stop at anything to achieve it. It must be achieved in our generation, not the next. It is clear to me that without us acting, we won't achieve anything. So act we must. I will take the lead. Therefore, I've instructed my lawyers to take action. I have learned that justice is a myth. It's only but a tool used by those in power to entrench themselves. At law school, Munyaradzi Kusai told me that you can never understand law fully unless you understand its origins, especially the colonial past. I fully agree, save to add that you will never fully understand it until it's applied to you unjustly and with impunity by the social elites. There's a mile of difference between writing about injustice and experiencing it. My friends, I now have the benefit of both. Al-Maduku says law is law because it's law, just or unjust. My experience teaches me that an unjust law is no law. It's oppression disguised as law. Dear friends, prison is meant to break you. It is meant to change you. I have learnt quite to the contrary. Prison makes you stronger and more resolute. I am stronger and I identify with you more than ever before. They say, when you are arrested, you are alone. That's not true. I was never alone. Your voices were with me. I stood proud in the dark hours. My wife and family were with me. I thank you. To those behind my persecution, including a prosecution aiding and abetting injustice, I wish to say the sun will set. It won't last forever. I am and I remain Darabi, Blessed Mhlanga.
Tiri papo pane imwe nyaya yaitika muzuva ranhasi mumesina niye bhodha reZimbabwe mu N1 apo mota dzinodhura kwazvo dzatsva dzakatakurwa neekeriya dzakatakurwa nemota inotakura dzimwe mota. So mota idzi imota dzinodhura kwazvo, mota hombe, maluxurious cars anga atakurwa iwo nekambani Avex Carrier iyo yazongobatira moto, mota dzikatsva. Mota idzi dzatsva dzatosvika idzo 3, dzimwewo dzakwanisa kubviswa. Asi zvinhu zvinosuwisa kuti munhu anenge atengawo mota dzake, maluxurious cars ake obva atsva nemoto. Kosi katarisa mota dzacho pari kuoneka kuti pane maland cruiser 2025 model ari ipapo ari kutsva. I think these cars dzaka-insure, dzine insurance nokuti imota hombe. This company inenge ine insurance kuti izokwanisa kunge ichidzorera vanhu mota dzavo, nekuti anenge ari mariro chaiwo kana mota idzi dzisina insurance, dzisina kunge dzaka-inshuwiwa, panochemwa. So muri Zimbabwe ndo nyaya dzandanga ndinadzo muzuva ranhasi. Musakanganwe kusubscribe, kulike nekushare. Ngatisangane munyaya dzinotevera.